So I guess, oh my God! Jesus, I'm Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually in the kitchen, right? I'm looking about dinner, but then I remember that we actually have some papaya in the freezer. They buy them a price match and cut them up and put them in the freezer. So then I say, why not try make a papaya smoothie and just video it? So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to carry you guys along with me on this journey, okay? So let's get right into it. I'm just going to use some of this orange juice in the mixture. Let's see, it's well frozen. I'm just gonna dice some up before putting them in the blender. Now, since I'm not making a lot, I'm going to use the baby bullet. Right? Wrap my hand. So guys, see the orange, freshly squeezed orange, papaya, and a cube of ice. So let's see how this turns out. was trying to get this done before this Nuff one appears, but look at us. Look at us. So I guess, oh my God! Jesus, I'm alright, guys. So, guys, this is it. Smoothie. Easy one, too. So, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, the journey continues. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Nutritious and delicious.
No.